Good morning, students. In today's video, I will tell you that how can we prepare a temporary mount of human cheek cells in laboratory. In yesterday's video or in previous video, we learned that can we prepare a temporary mount of plant cell or onion peel cell. In the same series, today we will learn that how can we prepare a temporary mount of human cell or cheek cell. So while we have to make a temporary mount of cell, so we have to take out this cell from our cheek. So here in the picture you can see that the inner surface of the cheek is scraped with the help of a toothpick. And I want to tell you that the inner surface of the tooth or inner surface of the mouth is lined by a specific kind of tissue, and this is a kind of epithelial tissue, and specifically it is squamous epithelial tissue. So student, I want to tell you that while we will rub the inner surface of the mouth with the help of toothpick, so while we are rubbing the inner surface of the mouth with the help of the toothpick, so definitely few cells will be released from the inner surface and they will attach over the surface of the toothpick. So in the next step, what will we do? Now here in the picture you are observing that there is a watch glass, and a watch glass is containing one kind of stain, and the name of this stain is methyl blue. So here in the watch glass methyl blue is there, and there just you are observing that just beneath of it you are observing a glass slide is also there. And you must have to keep one thing in notice that the glass slide always should always have a little bit amount of water on its upper surface, and with the help of the toothpick very gently we will release the cheek cells over the slide. Since we know that while we rubbed the toothpick in the inner surface of the mouth or cheek, the cells were released and they stick over the toothpick, and these cells will be released into the slide which contains water. So in this water these cells will be released. Now in the next step, what will you do? Now with the help of a dropper we will put 2 drops of this stain is called as methyl blue. And beta, you must have to remember one thing, that while we are going to stain a animal cell, ठीक है, while we are going to stain any animal cell, in such condition we have to use methyl blue stain. You are observing in the dropper a bluish appearance is there. This is due to the methyl blue stain. Or in the previous video you observed that while we are going to stain a plant cell we have to use saffronin. So saffronin is always used for plant cells while the methyl blue is used for animal cell. Now here in the picture you are observing that the methyl blue is released over the, or it is 2 drops of the methyl blue were added into the surface of the slide where already cheek cells are present. Now here in the next picture you are observing that now what we have to do, we have to release 2 drops of glycerin over its surface. Okay, now we will leave the slide for 2 or 3 minutes, or we can leave it till 5 minutes. Till then the cells are getting stained, they will be stained very darkly. And then after, what we have to do, then we will add 2 drops of glycerin over the slide or over the material. Then very gently we will put or we will place a glass slip. And glass slip is basically cover slip is a basically a piece of glass, and we will very gently put it over the slide. And while we are keeping it over the slide, we must have to notice one thing, that there should be no air bubble. Now after that, what will we do, we will find out that little bit liquid is coming out from the edges of the cover slip. So we will use or we can use a tissue paper or blotting paper, and with the help of it we can soak the extra fluid which is around the cover slip. Here in the picture you are observing, with the help of a blotting paper the extra fluid is being absorbed, and you are observing here once again all the corners are cleaned. And then what we have to do, we have to take either the back portion of the needle, or we can use brush, and we will press the cover slip. While we will press it, so we will observe that the epithelial cells will spread over the slide, and the slide will become neat and clean, and we can easily observe the cells under the microscope. Now while we will set this slide over the stage of the microscope, and we will use two lenses, eyepiece lenses 10x, nose piece lens 10x. So 100 time resolution if we are going to observe the slide, then we will observe that such kind of structure, either these may be polygonal or hexagonal structures are there, and you can observe that there is no cell wall, and though there is no cell vacuole, only a very thin cell membrane is around the cell, and they have a dark deeply stained structure at the center, which is called as nucleus. So in this way we can prepare a temporary mount of human cheek cells in the laboratory. I hope so you learned a lot. If still you are feeling any difficulty, you can concern with me. Once again I will meet you with a new video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.